Okay, 1170 is saying we have a system, right, of quadratics. So they're two parabolas, and they open up, right? So they're saying, where do they intersect? So we could use equal value methods. So x squared plus 5x minus 4 equals x squared plus x minus 12. Subtract x squared from both sides, so I'm left with 5x minus 4 equals x minus 12. Subtract x from both sides, 4x minus 4 equals negative 12. Add 4 to both sides, 4x equals negative 8. Divide both sides by 4, x equals negative 2. Now I have to substitute into one of these two equations. Doesn't really matter. Let's use this one, right? Okay. So y equals x squared, negative 2 squared plus negative 2 minus 12. So y equals negative 2 squared is 4, minus 2 minus 12. Y equals 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 12. Y equals negative 10. So at negative 2, negative 10, these parabolas intersect. Let's make sure that looks like a 0, right? Okay, negative 2, negative 10.